What we're doing here is a aircraft rib stitching that's going to be used for the skin on the external of the aircraft that's actually approved and required by the FAA in order to make them airworthy on certain models of aircraft. This process has actually been used all the way back since the Wright brothers. Now, the rib stitching itself has a few different knots and techniques that you have to do by hand. There's no machines or anything like that involved because you have to be so precise with it just to make sure that everything is perfect and accurate. And it didn't start out this synthetic Dacron. It used to be cotton, and they switched over to this, being as the Dacron will actually last. It actually lasts longer on the aircraft. It's better supported for it, and it can withstand much higher speeds and much more pressure on the aircraft. You go through and you can mark off your area that you're going to do for the lacing. As you can see, we have a couple done on here. And basically you start off, you have to use 3 different knots for it. You have to use your starting, which is your basic square knot and half hitches. You then move into what we call a modified seine knot. And then for the end of it, you do a combination of the two. You can just cut off the end of it and then you secure it down, and that's what keeps the skin on the outside of the aircraft.